Hi, this is Abul Kalam. Today you are going to learn problems in ages. Already aging is a problem. Jokes apart, let's be serious. My first question. Father is 5 times his son's age. 4 years ago, he was 9 times older than his son. Find the father's present age. Actually, the question has some hint. The first line it talks about the present tense, the second line it talks about the past tense. It is just because his son was, okay. So what you understand is father is. Whenever is comes, what you have to do is just you put equal to. You have to put equal to sign. This means this is means is equal to. This is B form of verbs. What are the B form of verbs? Is, am, are, was, would. Something like that, okay. So many B form of verbs we can just replace with equal to. So 5 times is son's age, so F equal to 5s. Don't take x and y, sometimes the ages you may misplace, okay. How to get the second line? What is given in the second line? 4 years ago, that means the question is they are comparing 4 years ago father's age and son's age. So what would be the father's age 4 years ago? F minus 4. What would be the son's age 4 years ago? S minus 4. But this is not the question. This is the age 4 years ago. He was, instead of was, you have to put equal to 9 times. Here he represents father. So 9 times S minus 4. So this is a very simple basic question. What you have to do is, once don't go for two equation F minus 5s equal to 0 and this first equation and second equation. What the other way to solve this? We know F equal to 5s. Now substitute this 5s here. So once I substitute 5s here, what I will get is this 5s minus 4 equal to 9 into s minus 36. So 9s minus 5s. 9s minus 5s equal to, this is minus 36, this minus 4. This minus 36 comes this side. So minus 4 plus 36. So 4s equal to 32. S equal to 8. When S equal to 8, what we know? Father is 5 times son's age. So father will be 5 into 8. What is 5 into 8? 40 years. So father's age will be 40 and son's age is 8 years. Very simple question. Okay, shall we go for the second one? You want to copy? Okay, let me wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, shall we go for a second question? The second question, just I want to change the numbers. I usually do in most of the videos. What I do is, just by changing the number, I want to know the questions, how the questions are generated. For example, now the first question is, father is 4 times his son's age. 5 years ago, he was 7 times older than his son. Find the father's present age. Now this type of age problems, once you know to write two equations, you can easily solve. So what is the first equation? F equal to 4s. What is second equation? Because S is equal to. What is second equation? 5 years ago. Father 5 years ago will be F minus S. Son 5 years ago will be S minus 5. Now what is the condition given? He was 7 times. So 7 into S minus 5. Once you solve this question, you will get son as 10 and father as 40. Since it is a similar question, I am not solving this. This is the question which we have done earlier. So I am not solving this. Okay, just you can do that because this is a similar question. Shall we go for the third question? Okay, a tricky one. Okay. Let me write the question in the ratio of the present ages of father and son is 6:1. Okay, after 5 years, the ratio of their ages will be, ratio of their means your father and son, okay, their ages will be or would be, okay, ratio of their ages will be 7:2. Question is, find the percentage of the father. Find the percentage of the father. You want to try? Shall I wait for 2 minutes? Okay, try this. Okay, what is the first equation? So they have given us ratio. So F is to S equal to 6:1. That means father by son equal to 6/1, or father is 6 times son's age. So this type of questions, they usually, this is our first line, right? Last question, first line. Now this type of question, instead of giving this as a first line, they have given us a ratio. Anyhow, we can come to the first line. With this first line is same as what we did earlier. Now what they have given is, after 5 years, father will be F plus 5 and son will be S plus 5. So what is the ratio? 7:2. Now father plus son, okay, so F plus S equal to S plus 5, F plus 5 is to S plus 5 equal to 7:2. Instead of this, what we can do is, we know ratio we can write as a fraction. So what is the first step we can do? Shall I erase this? So what we know, F equal to 6S. Just once you substitute this, F equal to 6S. So just you substitute here. So 6x plus 5 divided by S plus 5 equal to 7/2. Once you do the cross multiplication and solve, you would get, or you may get the answer. The father's percentage is equal to 30 and son's percentage equal to 5. So father's percentage would be 30. So son's percentage would be, what is the answer you will get? Son's age would be 5 and father's age would be 30. Shall we check? Okay, let us check. What is 30 is to 5? 6:1. After 5 years, father will be 35, son will be 10. Okay, what is 35 is to 10? What is 35 is to 10? This is 30 is to 5. 6:1. 35 is to 10. This 5 sevens are 35. This 5 twos are 10. You can, if you eliminate the 2 common and divide, you would get 7:2. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly do remember to subscribe this video.